with more than 60 large fires burning in the West and even more in Canada. The smoke is triggering air quality alerts in 6 states. In Spokane, Washington, school officials moving all student activities inside. The air quality there dangerous for everyone.
And David, back here in Los Angeles, a major headline tonight involving that devastating wildfire from back in January, the Eaton fire, which killed 19 people and destroyed thousands of homes. Well, the Department of Justice tonight has announced it's suing SoCal Edison, alleging that fire was sparked by the power company's faulty infrastructure. SoCal Edison says it's reviewing this lawsuit and it will respond in court.